These are the top 3 trade ideas for this week. Let's get started. First up, we have the Dow Jones or the US 30 that's held this 200 moving average support on the H4 really well after Friday's sell-off last week or the week before that. Anyway, we're continuing to move higher since that point. So as this bullish overall trend is still intact, I'm willing to look for long positions. All I'm looking to do is draw the fib from the previous low to the recent high, and that gives us a really nice level of support through this left side right here. So if we saw price retrace back into the fib, retest previous structure or previous support, this would be a really nice break, retest continuation to the upside. Now the Edge Finder is giving the Dow a bullish reading, meaning this is a high probability trade idea for us to take. Next up, we have GBP USD on the H4 timeframe that's in this really nice bearish trend. We can see these lower highs getting printed as well as these lower lows. So all we need to do is draw the fib from the high to the low in this case, and then we can look for this short position as price is currently in this fib zone, which lines up with previous structure on the left. So I put the stop loss at the previous high, and I'd be using a trailing stop with no hard profit level because I think this market has a lot more room to the downside, and the Edge Finder is backing this idea up with a -9 very bearish reading, meaning that there is a lot of potential here. Next up, we have gold or XAU USD that's been just getting hammered to the downside over the past couple of weeks. Now, to keep this short and sweet, if we draw the fib from the high to the low, what we can see is price is coming back into this 50% retracement level that lines up with the previous low on the left. So all we need to do is look for a short position on the 50% retracement, a stop loss at the 100% of the fib high. This allows room for this 200 moving average on the H4. This allows price to then come up towards our 50 moving average, intersect at the 50%, and continue lower from that level. The Edge Finder is giving gold a bearish reading, again making this another high probability setup for this week.